Morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. I wanted to show you this new sling bag that I got. If you're a subscriber, you may have seen one of my other videos where I got my old mountain bike out, no suspension, very vintage, and I started riding it because all the gyms and the beaches are closed and everything because of the virus. And that was fine for a while, but then I decided I wanted to carry some things with me. One of the things being my music, so that I decided to get, well, first I got a backpack, but that didn't work out very well because I needed to be able to reach the phone with the music, and it also has an app for workout app. I needed to be able to reach it in the front without taking the backpack off. You know, just stop for a couple of seconds, take a look at it, change the track, whatever. And the backpack just wasn't working. So I got this sling bag, which can be worn in the front also as a chest pack. And it's working out pretty good so far. Here's some detail on it, 24 bucks. Delivered Amazon. I'll put a link to it in the comments. So it's got lots of pockets. I'm not going to go through every pocket, and I've seen some other videos where they do that. I wasn't worried so much about how many pockets it had. I just wanted something that would be on the front, on my chest, and this worked out pretty good. I'll show you later on how it fits. The phone goes in here. Hold on. Okay, there you can see the, that's one of my old phones. And imagine that it's got wired earbuds coming out of it. So that's right there. Easy to access. And the reason I don't use wireless is because they tend to fall out of your ears if you're doing something that's kind of rough and tumble. The wireless has to have the battery in the bud that goes in your ear, so it makes it heavier. The wired kinds are much lighter as far as what goes in your ear, so because they use the battery off the phone. So that worked out pretty well for me. And let me show you how it fits. You can throw some extra stuff in there, a knife, a flashlight if you're going to be out late. I don't think you should be out late riding a mountain bike, but in case you get a flat or something, you have to walk out. But this is how it fits. So there you go. The main strap, like that. You can put it over either shoulder, and then you can move the connection in the back. And then it's got a smaller strap just for stability, like that. So you can see it's on there pretty good. Imagine you're bent over riding a mountain bike or something like that. It's not going anywhere. And even if you fall off, it's not really heavily padded, but there's a lot to it. So I think with this little extra padding for the phone, that the phone is well protected. Let's see if I can show you the back. Can I show you the back? Let's see. Well, I'm going to hold it up like that, and I hope you can see the back. If this doesn't work, I'll just delete this clip. Okay? So there's the bike I'm riding. I put some new pedals on it, but I'll do a separate video on that. They're much, much better than the ones I had on original. But you can see there's no suspension on this. It's just a hardcore vintage mountain bike. Trek 820, I think it is. Is it 820? Yeah, right there, 820. Okay, give me a thumbs up or a like if this helped you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Click on the bell if you want notification. Be safe. Have fun. Froggy out.